To put a birthday countdown on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add the birthday countdown widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. And then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find Samsung Calendar. Tap Samsung Calendar. Now tap and hold the birthday countdown widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap anywhere outside the widget. Next, tap the widget to select whose birthday you like to put on the widget. To find it quickly, type the contact name. Select the birthday event of the contact. You can see that the widget will display countdown for the selected contact's birthday. If needed, you can customize this widget by long tapping the widget and then select setting. Here you can set the background color to black or white when the dark mode on your phone is off. Adjust the widget transparency level and also decide whether you like to match the background color with the dark mode or not when the dark mode on your phone is on. To save the change, tap save button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.